Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create the ad creative inside the X ads campaign. So going back to the campaign, so the last thing which we saw was we had gone ahead and done the targeting features as well. Okay, and then you can save this. And now we are moving to the last segment of ad creative. So here we can name the ad group, the ad specifically, and then choose the product category if you need to. Okay, so from here you can choose the category. Let's say it's related to any business which you have. So you can choose the product category and then give the destination. So the destination will be the website URL, which we can provide later. And here you can add the creative. So Twitter gives you two options. One is media, the other one is collection. Media is going to be specific images or videos which we can attach over here, or else we can do a collection, which is a collection of up to 5 thumbnails which can be added. So once you select that, then we have to provide the description of the ad as well. So this is where we can mention. The idea is when we are writing the ad creative, we need to talk about the benefits of the core of the particular product or service rather than looking at the features. Once we provide that, then X gives you two options, which is going to be either it can be a single media, which can be one photo or video, or it can be a carousel where it's a collection of photos or videos. So let's say we are doing one photo right now, so which we have attached over here. Now you can see this is how the ad creative will look like. And then finally, you can give the headline of the ad. So we are saying, let's say best SEO for beginners, and then we can give our website URL. So this is how the ad is going to look like to our users once the campaign starts running. Once we provide this, we can save the changes. And now you can see we are reaching the review of the campaign where we can review the campaign and see if any changes needs to be done. I hope this makes sense so far. You're able to understand how the ad creative was created inside the X ads campaign.